legend returns. But this isn't just a nostalgia trip. The 2025 Volkswagen Beetle is back, and it's back with purpose. Iconic, instantly recognizable, and now reimagined for the modern age, the Beetle is stepping into the spotlight. Once again, with a bold new look, advanced technology, and a surprisingly sporty edge. For decades, the Beetle has been a symbol of individuality, freedom, and personality on wheels. Now Volkswagen has taken that original spirit and wrapped it in something fresh, futuristic, and fun. So the question is, does the magic still live on? Let's find out. First off, the design. While staying true to its roots, the 2025 Beetle has evolved. It still features that iconic rounded roofline, short front and rear overhangs, and friendly face, but now it's sharper, sleeker. The LED headlights are more angular, the body lines are sculpted and aerodynamic, and there's a more aggressive stance overall, giving the Beetle a confident, road-hugging presence that turns heads. It's a car that pays tribute to the past, but doesn't live in it. Volkswagen describes it as a classic reborn for tomorrow, and it shows. Whether it's cruising through city streets or parked at your local coffee shop, the 2025 Beetle commands attention, not just because it's familiar, but because it's bold enough to break the mold again. But the real surprise starts when you step inside. This is not the Beetle of the past. The interior has been completely transformed into a driver-focused digital cockpit that rivals anything in its class. Gone are the analog dials and simple layouts. In their place, a fully digital instrument cluster that's sharp, responsive, and customizable. A massive 12-inch touchscreen dominates the center console, seamlessly integrating wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Navigation, music, messages, it's all just a swipe or tap away. The ambient lighting adds a splash of personality to every drive. Choose your color, set the tone, and enjoy a cabin that matches your mood, whether you're heading out for a night on the town or just commuting home from work. Soft touch materials, contrast stitching on the seats, and brushed metal accents round out the look, giving the Beetle a level of refinement you'd never expect from such a playful design. And for those who appreciate the little things, there's plenty to love. From a wireless charging pad to hidden storage compartments, fold-flat rear seats, and even a hands-free tailgate. The 2025 Beetle proves you don't have to sacrifice practicality for style. Now, let's talk performance. Because yes, this Beetle isn't just for show. Under the hood, the standard model comes equipped with a turbocharged 2.0-liter engine producing 201 horsepower. That's more than enough to give this lightweight coupe a zippy, spirited drive, especially when paired with Volkswagen's lightning-quick DSG dual-clutch transmission. Acceleration is smooth, steering is responsive, and cornering is more confident than ever thanks to an upgraded adaptive suspension. But for those craving a little extra punch, the R-Line variant offers enhanced performance, sport-tuned handling, and even more attitude, transforming the Beetle from a weekend cruiser into a backroad beast. Driving modes like Eco, Normal, and Sport give you full control over how the car responds to the road, whether you're saving fuel or seeking thrills. Safety hasn't been forgotten either. The Beetle now comes equipped with Volkswagen's latest suite of driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, rear traffic alert, and the impressive travel assist system, which offers semi-autonomous driving support on long highway stretches. It's reassuring, intuitive, and makes every trip feel just a little bit easier. Now on to the value. Starting at just around $25,000, the 2025 Beetle offers a ton of character for the price. The fully loaded R-Line comes in just under $34,000, offering premium tech, performance, and styling, all while keeping that unmistakable Beetle charm. And that's really what makes this car special. It's not trying to be like every other. Compact on the road. It's not chasing trends, it's setting one. The Beetle has always stood apart, and this new generation keeps that spirit alive, blending retro flair with future-ready features in a way only Volkswagen can. Whether you're a longtime fan of the classic Bug or someone discovering its charm, for the first time, The 2025 Beetle offers a driving experience that's as fun as it is functional. It's more than a car, it's a statement. And in a world full of bland, look-alike crossovers, the Beetle dares to be different. So what do you think? Would you drive the new Beetle? Let us know in the comments below. And if you want more deep dives into the coolest cars of tomorrow, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you never miss an update. This is Lux Auto X, and the Beetle is officially back.